everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and as you can see, I have a lot of stuff to haul. Now this isn't just one, big purchase, because that's just insane. So there's a couple different purchases, and it's not, I have a couple things that aren't Lawn Fawn, but let me just go through some of the things that I've purchased from, or purchased of Lawn Fawn. So I picked up the new, Dandy Day flip flop. Now I do have the regular Dandy Day stamp set, so I got that and the coordinating die with it because these little pieces are so hard to cut. I also picked up the Butterfly Kisses flip flop, and as you can see, I've used this one already. So then this, I think these two are free, my free gifts. So I got this one that says, I hope, what is that? It's got all the sentiments. I hope you feel better. Better days are ahead. Until then, I'm sending hugs. By hugs, I mean this card. And it's got the cute little bunny and the big, sending big hugs and I love you. And the star and asterisk. And then here, just a bunch of happy wavy sentiments. I haven't used these yet, but I always cut the tops off of my packaging so I can save them. I used to do the envelopes, and it was so hard to keep dust from getting inside my envelopes, and it was driving me insane. So this one is kind of an older one, but the next two are going to be kind of older ones. So I got the Happy Lawn Fawn set. So it's pretty much just a generalized sentiments like Happy Mother's Day, Happy Anniversary, happy, of course, Happy Birthday. And then I got the little sentiments that go along with it. Or not sentiments, the dies that go along with the big happy. So it cuts out each one of these happies. I also picked up birthday before and afters because, just like everybody else, I need a ton of birthday cards all the freaking time. So I got this one, and I did not get the coordinating dies with this one just yet. So, if you've been around my channel long, you know I love the Lawn Fawn mice. I cannot get over them. They are my favorite Lawn Fawn little critters. So I got the Bubbles of Joy stamp set. And these little mice, I swear, like, this is what I've been working on, guys. You see all these, like, little mice? I have been working on a card for these. So there's a lot of them cut out. So I got the stamp and the coordinating die set. I also got the Scripty Bubble sentiments, and I did get the coordinating die with this because, again, it has this little mouse in here. And just cutting out some of these images, I can't fussy cut. I can, but it probably won't have a head to it. So I also got, before we get into the new ones, the magic messages, because I do have the, oh my gosh, why can't I think of the word? The magic iris die. So I did pick these up, and I do want to get the coordinating die just to cut out these like smaller sentiment or smaller like images in the stamp set. And of course I had to get these because they're so freaking adorable. I got the happy hugs, and these just came in today. So, and I did not get the coordinating dies just yet. I'm going to see if I can see how my scan and cut does with them. But so there's that one, and then I also got Scootin' By. Because how could you not? I mean, look how freaking cute these are. And like I said, I'm going to see how my scan and cut does with it. So that I can, to see if I need the coordinating dies or not. Sometimes I don't, and sometimes it's just easier to have them. So I also picked up the, which one is this? The Slimline Cloudy die, or Cloudy stencil. So it's got two slimline cloud stencils in it. So you can go either way. It's got the big puffy one, and you can see I've used it. It's got the big puffy ones, and then it's got the smaller ones with it. So some older ones too. I got the Happy Father's Day tag, and I got this I got this before my dad passed, so I don't know if I'll be using this one or not this year. I also picked up the Magic Iris, the Magic Camera Pull, oh my gosh, Magic Iris Camera Pull Tag add-on. So I picked that up. And I also got the Let's Toast Pull Tab add-on because I love doing pull tab cards. They're easy for me to do. And then, of course, we got the camera, which I've used before. I cannot find my card that I've made with it, but I will post a picture of it at the end of this video. So, paper pads. Me and paper pads don't always get along because I don't know what to do with them. But Lawn Fawn has some of my favorite paper pads, and I'm sure you guys have seen this before. This one is the, where's the name of it? So, oh my gosh, right on the top. Hello Sunshine Remix 6x6. Now I do like the 6x6s better because I do mostly make A2 size cards. And I like that they're not double-sided, so I don't have to choose. So there is that one. I also picked up the Watercolor Wishes. Now I do like this one. I like this one a lot because it gives you a lot of different, you know, textures of watercolor. Like the blues are probably my favorite. The blues, let's see, the pinks and the yellows. And then I also picked up, because I have not got this one before, the Really Rainbow 6x6 paper pack. And it's just tons of gorgeous rainbows, patterns, a little bit of everything. So that is all that I got from Lawn Fawn. Well, purchased of Lawn Fawn. And of course, I picked up the Salvage Patina Oxide and Distress Ink and the Reinker. This is probably one of my all-time favorite colors, and I have all of them. I just cannot get over how much I missed out on this color not being in the regular Tim Holtz line. Like, it is the perfect color. So there's Salvage Patina. And I picked up from Concord and 9th. I'm not sure what, let's see. The Big On You stamp and coordinating die set. So I got this one. So it's just, you know, a couple big sentiments and then the coordinating die. So I've stamped a couple of these. Let's see if I can get them out of the packaging. I try to save everything in my packaging because then I know exactly what I'm looking for. Let's see if I can just snag one out. So here's one. So that's what it looks like when you know, stamp it out and cut it with the die matching the cord. Oh my gosh, my words are so hard today, guys. Coordinating dies. And then you also get like 2 little hearts, and then these will cut out the you know, the smaller sentiments. So you have, you know, a perfect set there. And I also picked up the Honeybee Stamps No Line coloring. I've not tried this yet. I've been really interested in doing some no line coloring, so we will have to see how that goes. I am going to try to find that card. There is a lot of great things happening on my channel. I am doing a kind of like a Q&A. I haven't done one in a long time, but I feel like I need to, since I do have some new subscribers. So yeah, let's I will get that card. I'll get that picture posted of the card that I made with it. I will keep you guys updated on all these little mice and their little envelopes. I mean, literally, guys, there's so many in here, and they're from all 3 of those sets. So, except for the new ones, I need to add the new ones. But yeah, check that out. So thank you guys so much for supporting me and continuing to watch my videos. I really, really appreciate it. If you have any feedback, suggestions, please leave it down below. Just remember to be kind. I don't mind constructive criticism or constructive feedback, as long as it's not in a rude manner. So until next time, guys, bye.